Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Shaquan Moultrie. Are you guys looking for a way to make money online? Especially if you're a complete beginner and you never made money online before? Then let me tell you something. The reason why you click on this video is because you want to learn how to earn $300 per day or more just by learning how to build your email list and driving free traffic to Facebook. Now, if you don't know how to drive free traffic, then I can show you a way how you can do that just by using my free done for you Facebook engagement post where I will give you access for free to copy and paste on Facebook. That way you can get a lot of engagements to comment on your post. So you can talk to them and build a relationship and getting to know them, and then you can tell them about the program. Okay, you can be like, okay, if it's okay if I can share something with you, I want to share some little information with you. So once you share them your little information, right? Share them your little information. Then if they're willing to move forward, then that's when you're about to close your very first deal. Okay, so that means if you close your first deal by talking to somebody, right? And letting them by building a relationship with them because that's what you're supposed to do. This stuff helps you build a relationship. So basically, you get to know a person as a human being, okay? Because you want to learn about them. You want to see if you can help them, okay? To help them get out that struggle, man. Help them get on their feet and uplift them and show them the way. Because that's what we do here. Like our job is to help people, is to change people's lives and not to waste their time and valuable. Okay. So what I'm saying is that I'm giving you access for this for totally free. But this is my bonuses that I'm giving away. It's not gonna be for everybody. Okay. Some people no, some people is not gonna want to get this. 'Kay, I'm only gonna give to certain people that's actually serious about wanting to take action and wanting to take like massive action starting today. But here's the thing, guys. These are actually real people that's actually making money. Okay. So I'm in my Facebook group, whatever, right? And I'm in a company, I'm in a Facebook group, and I'm with a company called List Infinity, okay? Now List Infinity has been around for like maybe 2 years, I believe so. But I started last year in February of I think was it two twenty I think I started last week. No, I started last year, February 2022. February, I think February 14, 2022, on Valentine's Day or something like that. I'm not really sure, but I just know that I started on that day. But anyway, I made my first two sales, and then I had stopped promoting it for a little while, and then I started back. So it just took me. I was just off and on. But the reason why you see this payments right here, that you see that I got four referrals and four sales and 100% conversion and $325 total in revenue, which is that's pretty good. But there's a lot more to be made instead of that. So I'm looking for people who really wants to make some good money with List Infinity, because List Infinity will help you change your life. Like I'm gonna show you right now. Most of you guys who probably don't want to take action or maybe want to, but the people that I helped out are taking action. They taking massive action right now. So this is the program. This is the program called List Infinity, and this is the List Infinity Proof group Facebook group. Now I'm going to tell you about this guy. His name is Lee Murray. Now he said a nice milestone. He's at the elite just like I am, and he's earning 25, 100, and $300 commissions. But mainly, he's probably been earning $300, between 100 to $300 per day, regardless. Okay, guys, you get paid the same day. Okay, you don't have to wait every single week to get paid. You can get paid the very same day, depending on your bank, whoever you bank with. Okay, but if you have Cash App, they'll automatically send you your Cash App right away, instantly, guys. This is why this system does work, and it works for me, and definitely works for you. But that's if you're serious and you want to take massive action. Okay, so let me go back to list infinity. So, guys, when you are watching, when you click the link in the description, okay, when you click the first link in the description, you're gonna click here, okay. You're going to click this button, and you're gonna watch a few minutes of this short minute video that's gonna explain you how List Infinity pays pays you $125 to $300 per day. Okay, and you can create your account, but you create your free account. I forgot to mention that to you. You create your free account, but once you create your free account, you won't be making no money until you upgrade. So whatever packages you want to come to, all right. So we're gonna go to the compensation plan. Hold on. All right. So guys, let me give you some tips on these couple packages here. These three levels that I'm gonna go over with you about what you're gonna be getting when when you are upgrading. Okay, before you become a new List Infinity member. Whether you want to become a starter level, you want to come at the starter level. The starter level is you get the training, you get all the digital course that comes with the training. So whatever level you come in, you're gonna come in at starter level. You're gonna be earning $25 on. Okay, so you only gonna be earning $25 commissions. Okay, but you can work your way up. But if I was you guys, I would upgrade to the highest level where you can earn $300 high ticket commission, making per day $300 per day plus $1,500 a week or more. Okay, so that's in total commissions, 100% commissions that you don't have to wait every single week to get paid, or no, you don't have to wait every 2 weeks to get paid or every week to get paid. You could get paid now. Okay, because you can get a sep. They do this, guys. You could get paid through cash, through Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin, Venmo, or Square. However you want to get paid, guys, that's up to you. Okay. But if you're a pro member and you try to upgrade, all you gotta do is pay $200, and you'll be good to go. All right. But guys, I'm only recommending you guys. I'm only looking for a few people who wants to take massive, consistent action because this program had changed so many people's lives and they quit their job. And the reason why they quit the job is because they got tired of their boss telling them what to do. So this is why I'm giving you the courtesy now and to join my team so you can take massive action so you can change your life. And you can do the same thing for your students, okay? So if you come in at the pro level, you get everything that comes included, okay? Which is the 10K blueprint. You get list building, you get email marketing, you get email list secrets, you get evergreen leads business, and then you get the big ticket commission, the big ticket machine. You get Facebook groups, and you get $1 million copy. So you get all the digital course that's gonna come with your training. Okay. So whatever product that you upgraded to, whatever product that you decide that you decide you select which product you want to come in and which product you want to come in. You want to come at the low or the highest. Now, here's the thing. Do you want to know something? You want to really know something, guys? All right, let me get this straight because I know this is something that you want to hear right now. So, if you come in at the starter level, you're gonna earn $25 only. All right. Now, if you come in at the $100 level, which is the pro level, then you could be earning $125 commissions altogether. So you can earn $25 and you can earn $100 commissions. Okay. Now the next step, if you want to earn $300, you can earn 25, 100, and 300 all together. So that means you can earn all three sales. okay, at any given time. So that means if you at the highest level, which is $300, the high ticket commission, I mean the high ticket affiliate commission, I mean the high ticket affiliate level, elite level. So if you're earning $300 per day with this with this particular program, this is gonna definitely help you out. So um yeah, List Infinity is a nice program, guys. I'm telling you, man. You get access to your capture page and everything. So this is the reason why I'm gonna log in and show you guys what I got lately. So this is my total revenue, but let me show you guys the lead capture pages real quick. Okay. So what you get lead capture pages, and once you get lead capture pages, you can select which one you rather promote. But if you want me to help you promote your done for you lead capture pages, then let me know. Okay. And my social medias will be down. My Facebook, you can add me or you can follow me on Instagram as well. Okay. But it's going to be the link in the description down below. So once you get here, then what you can do, guys, uh, if you don't know what to do, there's a quick getting started guide. It's gonna tell you how to do everything, okay? From step one all the way to step seven. Okay. So just make sure you connect your autoresponder to Aweber, customize your bridge page, and import your email list campaign. Select select email campaign. So that's what I probably need to do. I'll probably do that later. But anyway, guys, this program does work for me and it definitely work for you. Okay? So, like I said, if you wanna learn how to make money online and you wanna learn how to make $300, click the link down below in the description. The first link. All right? So, you're gonna connect your autoresponder. You're gonna customize your bridge page. You're gonna import your email list. I mean your email campaign. You're gonna select your payment options so that way you can get paid, okay? Because they say you get paid to credit card, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, or amount, and more. Activate your income streams, or just you get 5 income streams you can add. You can add your affiliate offers to limited offers to programs that you promote that would be displayed. Okay, well, that's it. So yeah, that's it, y'all. But if you want to like make money just like this, like how this guy is doing, like he's making $12,000. Like he's been going ham on it. It's other people making money. You see what I mean? Other people's making money. Other people's making money. Other people's making money. These are real people that's making money online. Some of these people, some of these people know what they're doing, and it's because they follow the simple 3 steps just by watching the training videos and showing them how to build their list, and by allowing them to quit their 9 to 5 to make money online passively while they out doing what they do, doing what they love to do. They love to kick it with, spend time with their family. However, but these are people that's making money. Like look at this guy, Carlos Reyes. He made $25. These are actually real people, man. Real people. hmm These are people that's like, that wants to make money online. You know what I mean? Quick $25. You see? So that's how it is. That's how it works. So yeah, this is how it works, guys. So like I said, if you want to get access to my amazing bonuses, And if you want to get access to my amazing bonuses, where you can get my Facebook engagement posts for beginners and summer kickoff in 2023, then this is the right post that the engagement post that I gave you guys for you to gain access to, so that way you can implement this and get more comments on your Facebook post. So that means you get a lot of engagements depending how many people that you have. So if you go to like a different Facebook group and just type in make money online or work from home, just make sure you find groups, search in groups. Okay? So yeah. And this is it, y'all. So I just want to say thank you guys for allowing me to make a video, and I want to see you guys another time. But if you're very serious, to go ahead and click the link in the description down below, because I'm telling you, you can make $300 per day just by doing what you love to do. Okay? So if you want to set this all up on autopilot, then go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, comment, and let me know where you're from. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn the notification bells on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I'll see you guys in another time. All right, y'all. Peace.